B&M gang. This your boy Brandon. Yeah, that's right. The coolest YouTuber ever. And I'm back with another video. But I know y'all read that title. And you like, wait a minute. This ain't no prank, no reaction, no vlog, or no funny video. No, this is some technology. This is the Folio Touch, what I call the magic keyboard killer from Logitech. This is for only the iPad Pro 11-inch. As of this video, they do not have one for the 12.9 iPad Pro. But I'm ready to show y'all the product, show y'all what it do, show y'all why I call this the magic keyboard killer. You ready? I'm ready. Let's go. If this is your first time stopping by, give me a thumbs up, slap that subscribe button, and leave me a comment and let me know if you like these kind of videos, on my channel. Like I was saying, I normally don't do tech videos on the channel, but I am a technology guy. If you can see the 27-inch 5K iMac, I buy battery cases, I got AirPods, all type of AirPods laying around. I got some brand new AirPods right here, never been open. And we're gonna show off the iPad, 11-inch 2020. But right now, this is the Folio Touch from Logitech, and it's for the iPad Pro 11-inch. This is so, like I said, you don't have to spend all that money, because I had the 2018 12.9 iPad Pro, and I went and bought the Magic Keyboard for it. And I like the Magic Keyboard. I do a lot. I like the keyboard because it reminds me of the Mac. I like the trackpad on there. I liked it all. It was just, I didn't like it was so oily. When you touch it, it just seemed like it's going to get dirty fast. That's one problem that I had. But the main issue, of course, is the money. Like, I don't want to spend $350 plus tax on a keyboard. Like, I don't, maybe you got money like that. I don't got money like that to spend. So, a lot of people like me, they ain't got a lot of money to spend, but they want something nice, and you don't have to spend. This is proof right here. And I'm going to show you that you don't have to spend $350 because you can go, you can do it $350. You can go buy another iPad. That's almost as much as the iPhone SE. Like, well, I don't understand why Apple charged that much, but like I say, it's a nice product. And, I ain't knocking nobody who bought it because I had it and I enjoyed it. I actually, before I seen this, I was going to buy it again because I took it back. I'm like, nah. And then I actually traded the iPad 12.9 inch back to Apple because it was just too big. And then I wanted a new iPad. So I got the 11-inch iPad 2020. But let's get to the start of the show. What's on these? This little tab. I already like it, just that alone. Ain't no better feeling than open up a product for the first time. Like, do y'all see that? Do you see the feel of it? I said, do you see the feel of it? Do you see the material? It's already, to me, already better than the Magic Keyboard. Like I say, if you haven't touched or seen the Magic Keyboard, go to the Apple Store, Best Buy, wherever they sell them at, and actually play with one. As soon as you touch it, fingerprint magnet. Like, it's oil. All the oils in your finger, they get right on it. And that's one thing I just didn't like. This is already, I think this, okay. I had seen a little review. They were saying you can't touch the top right here. See, it don't click in. Now, the Apple one, it do click in anywhere. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, that is a plus for the Apple. But one thing Apple don't have is these function row keys. Like, they don't have that. And that's one thing I wanted. Then I wanted something, like, if you like me, you just spend all your money. Oh, that's cool. They got a magnet there to keep that. You just spend all this money on the iPad, right? You want to be, you want it protected, right? The Magic Keyboard don't have no protection around there like this one do. Like, none, zero. And then they say you can just take it off. Who wants to take their keyboard? And people do. Don't get me wrong. People do like to take their iPad, just rock it without a case. I ain't one of them people. Even though I pay for Apple Care and all that, that's cool. Oh, that is. That's cool. But I ain't one of them people that like to free rock my devices. All my devices got cases on them. So let me show you. In my iPad Pros, a case. My iPhone, it's over there. Got a case. And this iPad is about to have a case on it too. Matter of fact, this is actually about to be my new case for my iPhone 11 Pro Max. that I just got. Got a good deal at Best Buy for 80 bucks. Yeah, let me just see if it's too small. Because one thing with the 12.9 inch that I had and the Magic Keyboard is it felt like a real keyboard from like, you know, a Mac. Let me see. I'm gonna compare it to the Apple keyboard that comes with the iMac. Some nice tactile feel, nice key travel. Cause I love this keyboard right here. I can type fast on this one. You know, let me see. It ain't, if you can see, it ain't that much smaller than this. I don't know if you can see that, but it ain't that much smaller, and that's cool. But I wanted to do this video, you know, because I don't see, right now, there is, at this particular moment, I don't know when y'all watching, but this particular moment, there is no other videos that's like this. And then with the big YouTubers, you know, they kind of give you like the political type of reviews. You know, I'm a consumer. I bought this myself. Excuse the noise and maybe racing down this block. Anyway, I'm a consumer and I bought this with my own money. Nobody sponsored me or nothing. So I can tell you my honest opinion. If I don't like it, I might take it back. You know, but so far, just the way it feels, the way it looks. Oh, and this is a magnet that holds the keyboard in place. So when you got it like this, it's holding it. Okay, that's a good touch, Logitech. It's a magnet. I like that a lot. Okay. So I wonder when I put it in here, if I hold it like in this position, do it know that it's in this position and for me not to touch the back? We're gonna find out in a minute. But like I said, if you want me to start doing more reviews on tech, because I buy a lot of tech. I'm gonna buy the new iPhone, probably the new Note. I buy tech. I got wireless chargers I buy cases, keyboards. I buy all types of stuff from my Mac. This is my Surface right here. I buy technology. So like I say, leave me a comment. Let me know if y'all want me to start doing unboxings and reviews on different tech. Let's just slap this in here. The accessory Folio Touch uses an app you have to install. Would you like to install it from the Apple Store? Yes. Store. Can y'all see that clearly? Let me see. Throw this away. Can y'all see this? You gotta download a little app. It takes you to the App Store. Y'all see that? It takes you to the App Store. You pretty see my ring light. All right, let me just do this. Let me see how I like the buttons. Okay, I like these little buttons over here. So far, I'm already, can y'all see this? I don't know if y'all can even see the mouse. It already, y'all see that? It already connected. I didn't have to install anything or anything. It's just already there. You can see that blue mark. See? Okay, so let's see. Open this app and let's see what this app does. It feels like it's floating a little bit. Let me put it back. Okay. Allow. I guess this is, you just download this for like an update or something. Just wanted to get a little better angle to see if I can see if the gestures work. Okay, hold on. See, okay, you can't click up here. I gotta get used to not being able to click up here. Cause that's where you think you'll wanna go. If you could see that, you would think you'll wanna go here and click, but you gotta click there. So far though, the gestures is pretty smooth like Apple's Magic Keyboard. Let me see. Yeah. Can you? Let's see. Yeah, you kind of gotta. It's smooth though. You gotta get used to where to be at. Cause on Apple Keyboard, one thing they do got on Magic Keyboard, I'm gonna compare them a lot. Cause this is the whole point of the video is I bought this to see if I like this better than when I had the Magic Keyboard. Cause like I said, I was just about to buy the Magic Keyboard. But I just gotta get used to where to go on here, because this is not, like I say, this is not a click at all. Can I do a lock? Okay. Okay. Let's see if I can pull it from down here. Let's see. How do I pull from down here? How do I pull that? How do I do it? Is it a 3-finger thing or is it? Okay, so you just go up here and touch it. See, my only thing I don't like is just this part, because it's nothing. I know I said that a bunch of times, but that's the only part. On the keyboard, you just, like on a trackpad, that's the first thing you do is touch this. Let me just compare it real quick to the Surface, since I got this close by. Y'all getting into a good comparison video. I don't have the Magic Keyboard no more, because like I said, I took it back. Okay, so even on the Surface, if you can see, you really can't touch up there either. No, I don't want no ads. Okay, so down here, see, the Surface is loud. That hard click is quiet on here. That's another thing I like, is that. So that's cool. But okay, let's just type something, anything. Okay. It's just, I gotta get used to it. It's kind of cramped, but not really. I like it though. Yeah, it's cool. I don't know if y'all can see what I wrote, but it's cool. Let's see if I can turn this. Oh, that's the brightness on here. The brightness on the keyboard is, let's see, hold on. Let's see if I can see this. Can you guys see the back lighting of the keyboard? Can you guys see that? You can see that a little bit, right? Not really. It's on, but it ain't that bright. Okay, let me turn this back up. That's cool. Volume up and down work. This is where you can put your Apple Pencil at. So when it's off, and then you got a little slot. Can you see that? Let me put this up some. If you can see this little slot, you put the Apple Pencil there, and then when it's closed, you go right here. I don't have the Apple Pencil because I don't draw and have the the need for that. But for those who have, I have the sleep wake function. Okay, cool. But for those who have the Apple Pencil and that's what you use every day, you got a cutout for right here. For that, it don't take batteries. Let's do a little. If you turn it this way, is it gonna? Can you still control it? So no, that's good. It knows that you're right here. That you have it backwards, and it knows not to type or do anything with it. See, I'm touching it and nothing. So that's a good thing. That is definitely a good thing. And this angles, and I just want to show y'all some of these angles. So if you are, drawing with the Apple Pencil, or you just need a good view, you on a bed. Oh, this is another thing you could do. Is this. So this is like a little view you watching Netflix or YouTube or whatever you're watching, then you can go back further too. You can set it up like this. I love this material. This material you could tell is gonna last. And this kind of reminds me of the Surface. This whole hinge, it reminds me like you're supposed to have an SD card there for the Surface, but all these views is nice. And they just know it's back. Let's just go to, let's go to Apple. That's another thing I just want to see, the scrolling. Okay. So what's this? Why is it exit this? So someone died today. John Lewis, Senator John Lewis, rest in peace. But okay, let's go to a different site where I can actually see. Let's go to Best Buy. So far it reminds me, and I'm loving it. Oh yeah, that's buttery smooth. That's just like the Magic Keyboard. The Magic Keyboard. Now let's see if I can zoom in though. Let's see if it, oh yeah. Can y'all see that? My fingers, the zoom in features. See the what's the other keyboard? The what is the name of the other keyboard? The Bridge Pro Plus. That keyboard is, the trackpad on there is so horrible. I play with it. It is horrible. The trackpad on there is awful. Do not, I repeat, do not buy the Bridge Pro Plus for your iPad Pro. You'll be disappointed and you'll be taking it back. Don't get that one. This one is I'm calling it here first. Depending on when you watch this video, like I said, this is the Magic Keyboard Killer. That's what this is. Because You get all the same gestures. You get the multi-function rows. You get the same good typing experience, but you get protection. You get all the angles because the magic keyboard is like sits here and you can go back just a little bit. That's it. Like it really only like two things that it do on a hinge, and that, you know, it didn't really bother me when I had it, so I won't just sit here and knock the magic keyboard because I like it. If it was 100, if it was 160, I still would have this one because of the function rows and the protection. The magic keyboard, like I said, do not have protection, and that to me is, I said no. I need something with protection. You know, you got to be safe out here, especially with these how high everything getting, all the products getting. But this is just a little quick review. I just wanted to show y'all how the pointer work, and you know, I do a full in-depth, you know, okay, all this word, full in-depth video if y'all want, you know, if you guys want me to, where I really go over everything and play with it. You know, if you want me to do like a 24 hours with it video, 48 hours with it, you know, week video with it, let me know. You know, like I say, it's your boy Brandon. Yeah, that's right, the coolest YouTuber ever. And you know, if you want me to do more tech video, just leave me a comment. I'm here to entertain you, and at the same time teach you things too, because I know a lot about technology. I done had every iPhone, I've had every Note, I've had every Galaxy, I've had so many phones. In the last few months, I've had 6 phones probably. But I normally just stick with Apple. That's just what I stick with for the most part. But this, let me just see. They said I watched a video, someone said it's heavy and bulky, but to me, this may be either the same as the Magic Keyboard or lighter. Like, this is not heavy, and everything is perfect. Look at the cutouts. Everything is perfect. If you drop it, I'm not scared because of this. Even this part, I'm not scared it's gonna, you know, break this because of this. Then look at the cutouts, perfect. It's you know, about an inch, raised up about an inch. So if you drop it, that's the main thing you want for this. But my honest opinion, my final thoughts on it, you know, just from having it for the last maybe 30 minutes is, I love this. This is, to me, already better than the Magic Keyboard. And I say that because the price. Number one is the price. The price, the trackpad, because the Bridge Pro Plus trackpad is awful. It throws that entire experience away. They need to throw that thing in the garbage and never bring it out again. It should never see the light of day. But the Magic Keyboard is great, just too damn expensive. Way too expensive for me. I'm sure it's way too expensive for you. Even the people who got it, like, I love it, but they wish they had some of their money back, I'm sure. And this is how you get your money back, is this. Sell that, take that thing back, get this. It's not lacking anything. Like I say, even that, the top part of the trackpad a little hard and you can't really click it there, that's gonna get, I'm gonna get used to that. I didn't even realize the surface was like that, and I use that a lot too. But yeah, I recommend this. You know, like Floss said, if you watch Floss video, this a go. This right here is a go. Go get it. It's $159. It just came out. You know, a lot of people you'll see a lot of videos on it, but as of right now, there is no other video on YouTube as of, you know, this moment that you could see with this product. And whew, it smells good. It smell like you paid, you know, you smell like you paid some good money. But it's $160 versus $350. You know, if you got bukus of money to spend, you know, and you don't care about protection, you don't care about the function rows, you don't care about oil, fingerprints, and you just Apple fanboy. I am. That's why I bought the Magic Keyboard in the first place. But I saved me a bunch of money, got this, and I'm already liking it better. I feel safe to travel with this. I didn't feel safe by taking the Magic Keyboard anywhere. So, but anyway, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, you know, because I'm going to be bringing more videos if y'all want to see them, you know, on this product. But I thank y'all for watching. You know, me and the wife got more videos coming, you know. Love you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace. Why did I sound like Marcus? Bye. Make sure you like.
Make sure you comment.
And hit that subscribe button to join B&M gang.